dude, you know it's already like June 1st today? Crazy, man.
Yeah, no. Finals are coming up.
I know, right? 2 weeks. Just next week we're preparing. And then, we're already testing. That's like here with this freshman year.
What test are you worried about?
My biggest concern probably right now has to be geometry. I think it's going to be pretty tough.
Yeah, it's gonna suck. Oh my god. I want to feel that so badly. I need to study.
Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to remember everything.
Yo, let's make a song.
You want to?
Yeah, let's rap it.
You want to rap it?
Yeah.
That's going to work.
Yeah, we can memorize, we can be singing it.
Remember everything? We'll get an A.
Alright.
Alright, let's get to work.
Let's go.
Shout out to Dembao, repping that period 2 class. This is for you. You better enjoy it. So here's one straight out of chapter 8. Keep this in mind and your grades will inflate. More specifically, lesson 2. Killing these verses just for you. I ball harder than Duke because I know 30, 60, 90 triangles are the way to go. All you need is one side and you got the potential. To get the other 2 sides, the step is essential. So you got your hypotenuse, long leg, and short leg. Sipping math knowledge out of a keg. Do the short leg times the square root of 3. And with that, you get long leg B. Knowing this stuff is the master key to get the A from Mr. D. Now do the short leg times 2, and the answer you get is the hypotenuse. Sure enough, you've solved the question. The measurement of all 3 sides is in your possession. You no longer need to use trig, sitting and guessing. That's why special triangles are a blessing. I just showed you the way, now you're on top of this like a toupee. I bet you didn't know there were nerds with swag. I'm a prime example, my flow is ample, and hopefully I made you see at least one aspect of geometry. As for the test, you'll be alright, and you're welcome for the insight. So I'm pretty much done here, it was fun, but now it's time for Deke to hit the home run. I'm done.
Gets on the mic, haters go take a hike. I'll teach you how to solve, so this problem is resolved. If 2 angles are 45, then just put your troubles aside. I'll teach you a rule so you don't look like a fool. So this is how it goes. Right now I'ma compose, cause we have 2 equal sides, and that's what they provide. They call this an isosceles try. This step is so easy you'll fly by, but the third side is quite a task. But I help you if you ask. The third side is called the HYP. The square root of 2 is the key. The thing you gotta do is multiply either side by the square root of 2, and then you have the length of side 3. Don't you agree? Knowing this will help you every day in math. It is an easy part, easier than using sine or cosine, and it'll work for every problem just fine. Now take my advice and don't think twice, cause with geometry, knowing this is always nice. Now when you take a test, you will have the red essentials with an even greater potential, and you'll see that you'll get an A in Debbao's class, from the first till the last. Now, that's all I have to say, and make sure you don't delay. And this is what's up, rapping about math with Jason's Pop. And we are nerds with swag, and I don't mean to brag, but we rock this rap, time to take a nap.